Hello everyone, welcome back to DesignCafe Homes. I'm Ananya Jois, your interior architect, and today we're back in yet another beautiful villa designed for our clients, Soumya, Raj, and their 12-year-old son, Vatsal. As you can see, this unique 3 BHK has been done in Kumari Oakville, Bengaluru in Eclectic theme. I get it, you might be wondering what this new word is. Eclectic theme is a combination of multiple different styles of interior design, of different styles, prints, trends, and more. Well, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before we go inside. Well, here's the living room. This has a refreshing vibe and it's very minimal with no crowd and zero clutter. This is exactly how Soumya wanted her space to look. And also to give an artistic vibe to the space, we've added a sober wallpaper on the side with a clean console table. This way, the space is looking larger than it is, and it's also very chic. Can you find where the TV is? It's up here and it's concealed, and this is the magic of space-saving interior solutions. We've given this large beam to hide the screen behind it, and this is great for family movie nights together without spoiling the look of this minimal living room. If you think this is cool, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I won't be wrong if I said that everything in this home is pretty much sleek and tidy, including in this dining area. So the design language for the Pooja unit has also gone in similar lines. A very minimal contemporary Pooja unit has been added in the middle of this entire space. This has been created as also a partition between the living and the dining, and the back portion of the Pooja is a very clever design hack so that nobody puts anything there. We've added a sleek ledge and a nice mural to amp up that space. Little details are what makes a house a home. It could be a vintage clock like here, or even these gallery wall photo frames on the staircase. All of these add so much more depth to the entire space. On this side, we have a very sleek crockery unit cum display setup. This is hardly taking up any space and it is blending into this passageway. The kitchen in this home is just as classy as the rest of the home, with a beautiful combination of wood with high gloss white laminate and very sleek rose gold handles. This is a U-shaped fully loaded kitchen. Now, since there was a large window on this wall, we decided not to go with the chimney, and also because we lost on the storage space here, we've increased the storage on both the walls till the ceiling. The ceiling was already quite low, so this worked out just fine for us without causing a difficulty to use those top shelves. On this side, we have a large tall unit with appliances in it. The built-in appliances look sleek and go perfectly well with the rest of the kitchen. As a designer, I can tell you that this kitchen is most functionally effective because this follows the golden triangle. Now, on one point of the triangle, we have the sink, on the other, we have appliances, and on the third point of the triangle, we have the hob. This way, whoever is using the kitchen has everything at easy reach. It makes it easy for them to cook comfortably. Now, if you want to know more about kitchen, you can always watch our kitchen guide. It's linked right here. Walking into this bedroom feels like a midsummer's dream. Now, Soumya happened to love floral prints, and that's how we ended up with floral being the main theme of the master bedroom. The couple also did not want any sort of clutter in their bedroom, so we have a large teak bed in the center, and on the other side, we have a reading nook. Now, this is a brilliant idea we've come up with. Instead of having a large library unit, Raj wanted multiple nooks in the house that can be used for storing books. And we've added a wing chair with footstool and a beautiful rose gold pendant light to top it all off. Hit like if you love this corner. Since we've kept the bedroom fairly clean and simple, all of the storage has been pushed into this walk-in space. Here we've used large sliding wardrobes done in laminate finish. These are sleek, look elegant, and go perfectly well with the floral print. Design tip of the day. Now, if you go for prints for your wallpaper, make sure you go for solids for your fabric like your headboard, curtain, or even your laminate for your wardrobe. This way you're not overdoing one thing and everything gets balanced out. This vibrant room I'm in belongs to the 12-year-old son Vatsal. To make sure that he has lots of space around to move, we've given a single cot along with a trundle bed below for those sleepover nights. This entire space has been fully customized to Vatsal's needs with a large storage space here and a bookshelf on the other side. Below this, we have a nice deck. This is great for him to store all his sports equipment like his bat, balls, and also his guitar can be hung on the wall. Now here, there's a nice study table for him to even keep his laptop if required. And on the other end, we have a very cute seating corner for him to relax. Here's another cool personalized feature. They wanted a space to display all his certificates, prizes and more, and that's how we ended up with this display shelf. We blended this seamlessly with the walk-in wardrobe done in laminate finish, so it is looking sober along with the bright wallpaper on the other side. Guest bedroom here is also their parents' bedroom for when they visit occasionally. Isn't this beautiful? You'd be surprised with what all we've accommodated in this bedroom. Be it this large sliding wardrobe, or this king-size teak bed, or even the very subtle wallpaper and curtain in mint, or the minimal TV unit, it's all packed with a punch. Did you know that this sliding wardrobe also has an inbuilt dresser unit? At the first glance, you may not realize, but here it is. It's packed with lots of storage for all our cosmetics and also a large mirror. Isn't this really cool? The great thing about villas is that there are always these common spaces which can be turned into so much more. And today we're here in Raj's personal den and also his home office. On this side we have a comfortable couch seating where he can relax between meetings and also the whole family can watch TV together. On the other side we have a nice study unit with lots of bookshelves. Like I already mentioned, he loves to read. So this is part of the many nooks that we've created in the home. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely home. What a colorful and cheerful home it is. This goes to show that colors, prints and textures can liven up any space. Hit like if you agree and let us know in the comment section below as to which was your most favorite part of this entire home. Also, if you're looking for home interiors, you can click on the link in the description box for a free design consultation from our expert interior designers. Until next time, take care. See you all.